This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Prepare to fall in love. This luxury corner end unit offers privacy, plenty of views, curb appeal with stone accents, 2-car garage, plus tankless water heater. This 3-level townhouse features an open floor plan with plenty of natural light, 4 bedrooms, and 2.5 baths. First floor entryway with coat closet plus storage closet and bonus 4th bedroom featuring glass French doors. Second floor features kitchen, dining room, family room, half bath, and hardwood floors. Kitchen has 42-inch custom cabinets, granite countertops plus large curved island for eating, stainless steel appliances, pantry, and deck for entertaining and grilling. Third floor has 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and laundry. Primary bedroom includes a walk-in closet, vaulted tray ceiling. Primary bathroom features a tiled walk-in shower with dual shower heads and double sinks. Enjoy the community's 3-acre park with green spaces, covered picnic area, playground, game area, and nature trails. Convenient to shopping and I-64. For more information,